Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. Let x is equal to root of 3 minus root 5, y is equal to root of 3 plus root 5. Then value of expression x minus y plus 2x square y plus 2xy square minus x power 4y plus xy power 4 can be expressed as root p plus root q, where p and q belongs to natural number. Then p plus q has the value they are asking. So first of all, I'll be going to simplify the value of x written over here, that is root of 3 minus root 5. So let's see how it can be further simplified by me. I may write it like root over 3 minus 2 multiplied by root 5 upon 2. Then further it can be rewritten by me root over 3 minus 2 multiplied by root 5 by root 2 multiplied by 1 by root 2. Then we have a minus b whole square identity, so I can use that identity to rewrite it like root 5 by root 2 the whole square plus 1 by root 2 the whole square minus 2 multiplied by root 5 by root 2 multiplied by 1 by root 2. So guys, we got one identity over here, a square plus b square minus 2ab, which can be written by me as root 5 minus 1 by root 2. As the value of x over here it will be becoming. Now let's get the value of y. So I can get the value of y again by computing the whole square inside the square root. That is what 3 plus root 5 we are knowing. So we can write it like root over 3 plus 2 multiplied by root 5 by 2. And again root 5 by 2 can be written by me as root over 3 plus 2 multiplied by root 5 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. Now it can be further simplified by me by writing like root 5 by root 2 the whole square it will be, that is 5 by 2, plus 1 by root 2 the whole square it will be, that is 1 by 2, and 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be becoming 3. So 2 root 5 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, and that is a square plus b square plus 2ab we have, so can be written by me as y is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by root 2 only, not 2 root 2, root 2 only. So I got the value of x, I got the value of y. Now let's simplify the expression to get the final result. We have expression x minus y plus 2xy can be taken common by me. So what will be remaining? X plus y will be remaining. And then later on I can take xy as common over here. So what will be remaining? Minus xy I took, so minus xy taken common by b, x cube minus y cube will be remaining. Now let's proceed further and see what can be done by me. X minus we have written over here, plus 2xy is written over here, then x plus y is written over here, and we have minus xy over here. Now a cube minus b cube we know, a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square it will be. Now guys, a square plus b square we know, a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So we have x minus y plus 2xy multiplied by x plus y minus xy multiplied by x minus y multiplied by x plus y the whole square it will be. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab means minus xy will be achieved by me. Means minus 2xy plus xy will be minus xy only. So guys, we have three things over here, x minus y, then x plus y, and xy. If we will get the value of these three things, I can substitute it in the equation and can get the final answer. So x minus y will be becoming what? X is this, y is this. So root 5 minus 1 by root 2 minus, okay, we will write it little up. It will be becoming root 5 minus 1 by root 2 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 2. And upon simplifying it will be becoming root 5 minus 1 minus root 5 minus 1 divided by root 2. That means minus 2 by root 2, that means minus root 2. Now let's see, x plus y will be becoming what? Root 5 plus minus 1 by root 2 plus root 5 plus 1 by root 2. And that can be written by me as root 5 minus 1 plus root 5 plus 1 divided by root 2. And that will be becoming what? 2 root 5 divided by root 2. That will become what? Root 10. Now let's see xy value. That will become root 5 minus 1 by root 2 multiplied by root 5 plus 1 by root 2. And that will become 5 minus 1 in numerator 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Now let's substitute the value and get the final results. We'll be getting what? Minus root 2 over here as the value of x minus y. Then the value of 2xy means 2 multiplied by 2, it will be becoming x plus y we know root 10. Then minus xy we know 2, it will be becoming. Then x minus y we know root 2 minus root 2 means plus root 2, it will be becoming with minus sign. And then we have x plus y the whole square, that will be becoming 10 over here. Minus xy means minus 2. Great. Now minus root 2 is written over here, plus 4 root 10 is written over here, plus 8 multiplied by 2, 16 root 2 is written over here. So 4 root 10 plus 15 root 2 we have. Now my dear students, it will be going inside the square root by written as 160, and this will be coming as 450, which is equal to root p plus root q as it is given to us in question. So p will be becoming as 160 over here and q may become as 450 over here, or vice versa, but they have asked us p plus q value, so that will be becoming what? 610. So let's see if there is any option like this. Yeah, B option. So hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.